Hello, my name is Fergal Cayley and I'm from the Faculty of Science and Engineering, and today we're going to have a look at some of our engineering facilities here at Macquarie and talk a little bit about the engineering that we offer.
So let's go.
Let's go, yeah. So the first thing to say about the engineering here at Macquarie, this space has been specially designed and laid out to facilitate what we call project-based learning. One of the problems with students studying engineering is that the dropout rate is very high. The reason for this is it's like quite a complicated degree. It involves maths and it involves physics. And traditionally, those theoretical subjects have all been done in years 1 and 2. And then the interesting fun side of engineering, like working on things and building things, comes in years 3 and 4. To try to overcome this dropout rate problem and make the studies more interesting for students, Macquarie is moving towards a project-based learning. So this space has been designed to be very open, be very collaborative. So students will work here and they can use these computers for CAD/CAM and design. And then they might go into some other rooms over the other side there. In fact, let's walk over there. And actually do presentations to each other as well as to the academic teachers. So as you can see again, this is all set up for collaboration, even the table, so the students can work opposite each other in teams and they can talk and communicate as they are learning. And this will be one of the rooms where the students then present their ideas on the screen and they get feedback from the other students and from the teachers. Of course, right now it's the summer holidays, so the number of students here is extremely low. Anyway, let's go and have a look in some of our lab spaces that we have here at Macquarie. Let's go into this space here. He won't let me. I'll get the access to that and we can go into that.
Okay, maybe we can do that later.
You want to get access to the internet?
Yes, please. My key no longer gives me access to that. Change the thing, you have a different kind of key card now. Thank you.
This looks like a speaker.
Yeah, so this thing here, which looks like a speaker, this is a wind tunnel. This is actually one that was designed quite a long time ago, was brought to Australia from England.
Can you fly something with the...
You can't fly something in there, but I'll show you how it works. So, air is sucked in here, and it comes through here. There's a fan at the end which sucks the air through. And this is the most important part, because this is the observation chamber. So, it's possible to remove the panel like so. And here is where we put the prototype of what we're going to test. And then they push the air down here, and they also put smoke in here and laser light. Now that laser light then allows them to see how the air flows around the prototype. So that enables them to visualize the aerodynamic properties of what they're doing.
Just one short question about the Wi-Fi. I was told that Macquarie University is still charging patent fee for every single Wi-Fi chip. Is that true?
No, it's not true. So the actual technology was, well, it was formed into a company, and then the company was sold to Cisco in America.
So the Wi-Fi patent is now owned by
Cisco,
not Macquarie University.
Not Macquarie University. So there was a big chunk of money that changed hands. I don't remember how many millions of dollars it was, but then Macquarie relinquished the rights to the patent. And it's now transferred to Cisco, and the technology is now used all around the world.
Good to know.
I wish we kept it. Now this is quite a special area. So this area, you'll see all these posters and banners over here for the first robotics competition. So this is a global competition, started in the United States. And it's all about encouraging young people to get involved with robotics and with engineering.
Don't worry about a Chinese student interested in studying engineering.
Well, you know, like we don't get them until they come here. But like anybody that's here in Australia, whether they're Australian or not, they can all take part in robot competitions. So So this is what we call mechanical makespace, and this is a space that's free for students just to come and tinker and build things and use the equipment that we have here. Basically, students in engineering tend to learn better by doing things. So the more we can enable the students to actually do things, the more that they remember and the more they learn. Because we could teach the student everything about engineering, but because technology is changing so fast, you know, we can teach the most up-to-date method today, but in 5 years' time, that could already be obsolete and there could be a new method. So what we're really trying to encourage is giving the students the skills to continue learning by themselves, because over their career, they will have to learn as technology changes. Yeah. I think here we have some 3D printer, some small 3D printers. So these ones just print with a normal plastic resin, but here in Macquarie we actually also have 3D printers that can print in metal. And other materials.
It's amazing.
So it's pretty amazing what we have here for students to use.
Does that mean you can print your own key to open the door if you forget your key inside?
That's right. You can do that.
What's this? The car?
I cannot honestly say what that one is.
Solar power.
It looks like a solar-powered type of bicycle thing. But the thing that I really wanted to show is that over there, this is Speed Team's human-powered vehicle.
Can we go inside?
Go a little bit. This is something that they used when they were trying to design it to get all of the gears and the ratios correct. And this is where they're at now. So this vehicle is actually, you can see it's got a few scrapes because the team went to the United States, to Arizona last year and took part in the global competition.